Alright, so we have been talking about arithmetic sequences, arithmetic series, geometric sequences, and now we're finally on our last part, which is geometric series. So now we're going to start adding things up, and we're using ratios to get to our different terms. So you can imagine that these numbers are going to be a little bizarre. They're going to be lots of either really big numbers or sometimes really small numbers, because things are growing really fast. Usually with ratios, things grow faster versus adding or subtracting like we did with arithmetics. Alright, so let's look at the formula, and again just kind of go over what everything stands for real quickly, and that you have make sure you have an understanding of this before you go on to doing the work involved. Alright, so pen, be nice. Alright, so again, this means the sum of whatever number of terms we're adding up, so we know that. We know this is the first term. Again, I have some of that stuff written down here. This is the first term. We've got the ratio here and here, so we have it in two spots. And then we have, again, n is whatever number of terms we're adding up. So if we're looking at 10 terms, the sum of 10 terms, this would be a 10. And so on. So it's a little bit tricky. I think the hard part about this particular section is making sure you put it in the calculator the correct way, because you can see we've got some exponents, we've got some divisions, we've got some numbers minus probably fractions in the denominator. So we have to make sure we just put it in the calculator correctly. And once you do that, you should be pretty good. So let's go give it a try.